You have no idea what this man has done for me. I started going to the dentist when I was in junior high. I had really soft teeth and lots of cavities. By the time I was in high school, I had already had teeth pulled and a partial put in. And when you're a teenager and you don't look like everybody else, it just makes it really difficult for you. I was always very self-conscious of it. I was always putting my hand up around my mouth whenever I'd talk, and I was always afraid to smile real big because I was afraid that people would notice that I had that partial in my mouth. I just stopped going to the dentist because it was never a good experience. I was petrified, and I felt like as long as I didn't go, I didn't know what the problems were. We decided to go with the total implant. Dr. Vanstrom completely reconstructed my entire jaw. He made me feel so relaxed, and he explained to me if I would just start going and take care of my teeth, that it would get better and my dental sessions would not be so traumatic for me. And that's been 25 or 30 years. I love Dr. Vanstrom and his staff. They are so helpful. It's like a family. And I actually feel like everything he's done for me has changed my life because I had developed such a fear. Talking, smiling, eating, my food even tastes different since I've had all my implants. So it was at a traumatic time in my life. My parents had died. It started the procedure, and then my parents passed away. And so I had to continue with the procedure, but emotionally, I wasn't really there. And Dr. Vanstrom made it so easy for me because he took the time not only to discuss my dental case, but to check on me and see how I was doing. That meant so much to me. How many doctors will do that? I don't go to any except for Dr. V that does that. When you do dental implants, you have to make sure you have enough tissue in your gums to hold the implant. We discovered I did not have any tissue on my upper. So in addition to the implants, I had to have this gum rebuilt, basically. It has changed my life so much. I can't even tell you. I'm not afraid to smile anymore. I'm not afraid to laugh, and I love to laugh. I love Dr. V. I would highly recommend anyone to go see him, and I have sent several of my closest friends over here because he's a caring, compassionate doctor. I have followed him all over Atlanta.